Hello, today we are going to learn a little bit of HTML. First, create a folder. And I have created one. Now, I prefer Visual Studio Code. You can go to Chrome and search, and then you can download by going to its website. So, this is how Visual Studio Code looks like. It's just loading. Okay. So here you can open folder. So you can select the folder. So I created the folder in websites inside that class 1. So this is how it would be because we haven't created any folder. Now we will create a file and name it index.html. Now you can there is some shortcut. So this is boilerplate. So when you do like this, some code will come. Don't bother about these. This is the thing which is written on the top. I don't need it as document. Just need it as class 1. Today we are going to learn button. We will use a little bit of CSS too. So here we can give it ID or class. Class means we can select so many things, so we just need to write a little code. But if it's ID, we select it specifically. You can add both of them together too. Now I am going to put the ID as button. And you can write anything like star. Okay. Now I will create style.css because this dot after that it should be HTML or CSS. Means okay. And CSS hashtag represents ID. So hashtag button. Text color or font color, we use it as color only. So we could select the font. I just need black, and only that much is needed. So please use this thing called live server that you need to download the extensions from here or something. I downloaded it. So here this is how our button looks. We need to do a little more CSS if you need. If you don't understand, just do this much, and in the next course I will show you. Background color you can set it. These are very easy parts. Background color. I just need it as black and change the text color as white. And padding is the distance from the text. So padding I need it. Not padding. You can set it as I would like 10 pixel. Then PC not pixel. Then you can set the border radius. Means the curveness over here. What is happening? Let me save it. Save. Okay. Yeah, we forgot to link it. We need this HTML should connect to the CSS. So here, link when you press link CSS. We put it as capital S for. So this is the result. It shows start. When we press it, it has some border radius. This curveness is border radius. So that's known as border radius. We can select border style and all. Now I am just putting border radius. If I need 10 pixel, it would look like this thing, this curveness. So we could do like that. Then border style. Look, there are many things. Border style. Now I need border style as solid. Solid means like solid is this thing which is totally solid. Now we need to set the border color. So that we can set by border color. I need it as black. I don't need, so it would blend with the side. Or else I could put it as width also. But now we are only doing this much. So this is a normal button. This are no functions. Okay. Or else you can set the border width. I hope all of you know what is width. So border width. If I need 0 pixel, then if I put it white so you can know. I'll put it as red. So you could see how many width. Look, if I put border pixel to 10 or something, we can set it to infinity, okay, but look, it will come like this. So if I don't need it, I could put it as 0. So it came like this. So today we are only learning these 3 simple things. Next class we will learn a little more about border. There are many things also with border, like border right, border bottom, border top, left, and then border bottom left radius, like that. Border bottom color and all means we can select the stuff also, but I could select it as red to show you. But I don't think the width would come. I'll put it as orange. And let me put the width as 1. So look, the top part is orange and the down part is, I'm just putting orange. That's the normal one. Look on the top, no, on the bottom. So in the bottom there is one line like that. If I put it 10, you could see it properly, so I'm putting like that. Look, this part down, it's the color. Like you could select top also. Top, left, right, and there are many colors. If I put like this, look on the top also I set that color. I don't need this much width, so 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity. So this is 7. Okay, if I put it 2, it would come only 2 pixels. Look over here. This after some classes we will learn how to make your website responsive, but we just have a button over here. We will learn more about button. But when you learn these borders, it will be useful for others also, like other things like div, span. But now you are not going to learn it because there are many videos to follow. This is just a button and border radius and the things that I showed over here.